Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing 5 new tips and tricks that could probably change the way that you use WhatsApp. And of course you're going to want to stick around till the end because I have a bonus tip that might be really helpful. Let's now move on to the first feature, video note effects. Now WhatsApp recently added the ability to add effects to those short little snippets that you could send to everyone. And if you didn't know how to create a video note, you simply just press this button here and you can hold down and create this little sort of video to send to someone. To access the effects, just press this wand icon over here and it will give you a bunch of different options. All of these, including this weird option over here. There's some pretty interesting things that you can play around with. You can change the background. It really makes quick little updates to your friends and family more engaging and fun. Now, without wasting too much time, let's move on to our second feature, voice message transcripts. This feature is my personal favorite. If you've ever received a long voice message but didn't have the time to listen to it, WhatsApp now allows you to automatically transcribe voice notes for you. And all you have to do this is hold down on the voice note, select the 3 dots in the top right corner, and then select transcribe. It's as simple as that. Fair warning, it's not perfect, it makes mistakes, but it's great for just getting an idea of what someone said. It's honestly a game changer if you're in a place where you can't listen to a loud audio like a meeting or you're at school and you just want to quickly read the message, but you don't want to have to ask them to rewrite it because that would annoy people. Now we're moving on to our third feature, voice notes on your status. There's still a lot of people that actually don't know about this. All you have to do is head over to your status, select the pencil icon and hold down on the green microphone icon. And once you're done, you can upload it to your status. This is kind of perfect for quick updates that you want to give to your friends and family that will literally just disappear in 24 hours. And the bonus, I guess, is that you don't have to type it out. Number 4, people, that is the list feature. WhatsApp now allows you to group your chats into lists. And you can name each list according to the category that you want. So your family, your friends, your work. And to do this, just drag down on your WhatsApp screen and then select the plus icon. Over here, you can then create the name of your list. I'm gonna go with family and then add some of my family members. This way, when I swipe down again, I can just select family and then all my family members will pop up just to have some quick access to my contacts. If you're someone that likes to stay organized, that feature is for you. Now we are at our final bonus tip. We're going to be talking about transferring files from your laptop to your phone using the message yourself feature. Now, obviously this is not a new feature, like this has been around for a while, but I feel like so many people don't know about it and don't use it as often. All you have to do is access WhatsApp web on your laptop, log in using your phone, and then on your laptop you can transfer the file to the message yourself feature, so your own contact, and then instantly that same file will pop up on your cell phone. And this goes both ways. If you upload a photo or video or whatever you want to your phone, you can access it off your laptop. No need to use any other weird third-party apps, just seamless file transferring within WhatsApp. Guys, which one of these features do you think is the most useful? Let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.